Hi, my name is Anup Nair, and I'm president at CP Plus. Yeah, so this year in IFSEC, we have tried to make sure that we actually go with a more of a solutions architecture, and we have actually displayed live AI solutions everywhere, and I think it's been much appreciated by all have come in. We have tried to keep less focus on products and more on solutions, and especially on AI-based solutions. And I would like to say the response has been great. The footfalls have been brilliant, and we've got a good mix of channel partners, system integrators, and end customers. And as for me, it's been a big success, and we have got enough leads, and I would call this a big success for the IFSEC event. See, AI is the future, and I think maybe in a 3 to 5 year time frame, it would be run of the mill, and there is no survival without AI. And all the CP Plus products now, moving forward, also will come embedded with AI solutions. And the AI solutions that we have displayed, these are not just demonstrations; these are live use cases that we have implemented on the ground. Absolutely. So CP Plus is an Indian brand made in India, and we have the largest factory outside of China, and everything is made in India. Our plant is located in the south in Kadapa, which is part of the Government of India's industrial hub as well. I think we have a manufacturing capacity of almost 2 million units a month, and I would say it's by far the largest capacity outside of China. This industry is not very deeply researched, but I would say we command about 1/3 of the market share of India.
What are your future plans?
Lots. So with this STQC and government regulations coming in, we see a huge shake-up in the industry, and being the largest Indian brand, I would say a lot of the business will gravitate towards us. You will see us being more present in end customers, more in solutions, and we have already started displaying our cloud solutions, AI. So you will hear us talking more about products plus, that is products plus services plus solutions.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.